Hi, welcome back to MediaTrick.net and another tutorial. I just wanted to cover Dreamweaver CS5, actually setting this thing up on the in Dreamweaver. I'm not going to go over how to install MAMP on this. I've got other tutorials on my blog for that, or how to download WordPress and get it up. So let's jump in. Just look through MediaTrick.net in my blog, and you'll find a ton of information for templates, how to install local servers on Windows, on Mac, where to get the software that you need to edit all this stuff. So let's go ahead and get started. You want to click your Dreamweaver CS5, and then this is the site back here, my new site. We're going to define that in Dreamweaver so we can work on it. So let's click on New Site. And we're going to call it My New Site. And then you need to navigate to your htdocs folder. I've got mine over here in the taskbar. And then just click on the My New Site, which is inside your htdocs folder on your MAMP server. Choose. Okay, and then let's go ahead and configure the server. It's real simple. Click the Add button. And then we're going to select Local Network. Let's call this Testing Server, or you can put the name of your site in there or whatever you want. Now you need to tell it where the server folder is, which is back in htdocs inside of My New Site. So let's go there and click Choose, and then the URL is going to be localhost / My New Site, because and I'll explain more about MAMP in a later video, but whatever your site's name is, like if you're working on your site off your local host, which is your Apache server on your machine, when I work on MediaTrick, I'll put localhost / MediaTrick, because that's the folder that it is in on my local host. That's worth pointing to. So let's go ahead and click Advanced, and we want to make sure the server model selected is PHP MySQL, and then click Save. Alright, so we've got the site set up and the server set up, and one other thing, you want to deselect Remote and select Testing, so click Save. That's very important on the that you don't want to have server selected. If you want to do this on your local machine, you want to have testing or test selected. Okay, so it's imported the site, and here we've got everything running here. So let's just go ahead and open the index.php page, and most of your work is going to be done inside this WordPress content. That's where your themes are stored, your plugins, all that good stuff, your image files. So let's go ahead and click index.php, and to get this thing to work dynamically, they have to discover these files by the server. So as you can see here, this looks nothing like this, My New Site. So let's go ahead and open that back up, and we're going to discover what's on the server. So click Discover. Okay, and you can see that, hey, it's still not showing up even when I click Live View. And that's because that Dreamweaver is, since you open this index.php file, it's looking for that index.php file instead of dynamically looking at the server. But that's pretty easy and simple to fix. Let's just erase this part. Just go ahead and delete WP Content Themes index.php, and then click Enter. Okay, so there it is. The second part of this video tutorial on integrating Adobe Dreamweaver CS5 with WordPress is located on my blog at MediaTrick.net/blog. We encourage you to come over and take a look at all the free tutorials on the blog. This one will be posted on there as well, and we cover in depth the rest of the video on how to integrate Dreamweaver CS5 with WordPress. So come on over to MediaTrick.net/blog. We are spam, spyware, malware, botware free.